This tutorial will demonstrate how to configure your Design Manager to prevent particular users from viewing the cost of your merchandise. In this tutorial, the Hide Costs password attribute will be used to mask the appropriate cost information from a user in the specifications area when using discount pricing. It is important to remember, in order to fully suppress the ability to see product cost, other areas of Design Manager should also be restricted, such as purchase orders and order tracking, reports such as the profit analysis and project order status, just to name a few. To restrict a user from seeing the product or service costs and specifications, go to File, then Company Information and Settings. On the Company Information window, go to the Users and Security tab, select the appropriate user, and click the Edit button. On the Password window, go under Project, View Access, Specifications, View Access, and lock the Show Cost attribute by double-clicking. Be sure to click OK to save your changes. Once the Show Cost has been locked, when going into Specifications, the user will no longer see the cost on the Item window. The Pricing tab will be disabled, and the cost information on the Component window will be hidden as well. It is important to remember that the Hide Cost ability only functions fully when you are using the discount pricing model. If you are using the markup pricing, you can still do so, but there is an additional step. You can still use the markup pricing to calculate your desired sell price. Once you have done so, just click the Lock Pricing button to store the sell price, yet hide the cost as desired. That concludes our tutorial on using the Hide Cost setting to prevent product and service costs from being visible to certain users. To review more tutorials and search our knowledge base articles, please visit our Help Center under the Support menu of DesignManager.com.